Hello everyone, and welcome back to your favorite health, wellness, and beauty channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a healthy recipe. We are making a turkey loaf. This is what it looks like, and let me just say that it was so good. This is the second time I made this recipe, and so let's get started. This is what I am using. In terms of my spices, we are going to be using extra lean ground turkey breast. These are the spices we are using: garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, pink salt, and some minced garlic, tons of it because I love garlic. To that, we are going to be adding some fresh chopped parsley. Love fresh herbs so much. Then we are adding some Worcestershire sauce. I hope I did not pronounce that incorrectly. To that, we are also going to be adding some fresh red onion diced up. We are going to add some crushed tomatoes, which is in place of tomato paste. You are really going to want to do the tomato paste here. It definitely adds to the flavor, but I was just working with what I had. Taking the spoon, we are going to mix well, and we're going to refrigerate for a few hours. If you can, you're going to want to do this overnight because that also adds to the flavor as well. This is what it looks like after we have refrigerated for about 2 hours. Making our little loaf, I put a teeny amount of olive oil on the bottom of that pan. We're going to bake for 30 minutes on 375, and I'll show you what to do after. So it's not going to be fully cooked after we bake for that 30 minutes on 375, because what we're doing is going to add a tomato sauce on top to take this over the top. Okay, so this is about 1/4 cup of ketchup, and to that I'm adding garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of those red onions with that fresh parsley, a splash of apple cider vinegar. We are gonna mix. And then after our turkey loaf has baked for about 30 minutes, we're gonna take it out and add that sauce. Look how good. My mouth is watering doing this voiceover. We're gonna add the ketchup to the top of our turkey loaf like so, and then we're gonna bake for another 15 minutes uncovered, and it's going to look like so. After that 15 minutes, we're gonna allow it to rest covered after it comes out of the oven. Okay, definitely want to let it rest covered with some tin foil. And then next we're going to be making this side. So we're going to take 1 head of organic cabbage like so, and we are going to dice it like so. Then we're going to put it in a large pot, and to that we are going to add broth powder. I'm using a vegetable broth powder. I'm also using garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, black pepper. To that, we are going to add those tomatoes. And this is going to double as either a side or a main for the rest of the week. So dumping those tomatoes in, and we're going to also put water in, and we're going to cook on high till we get a boil. And then we're going to reduce the boil to a simmer and let it cook into the desired tenderness. So I know a lot of people think that I'm vegan because I'm always showing vegetables and fruit on my Instagram and vegan meals. While I'm not vegan, I do believe in eating mostly fruits and vegetables. There's no need for excessive meat consumption, and there's also no need to be vegan, as it does not work for everybody. I have been everything that you can think of: vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, all these things. And the thing I learned is that moderation is key in consuming meat products. Look at this meatloaf. Moderation is key in consuming meat, and you always want to eat more you want to always eat more veggies and fruit, especially vegetables when it comes to your meal. So I'm pairing this dinner with a large salad with all of these beautiful colors. Large salad, and of course our cabbage dish that we made, and I had a little more of the meatloaf, but as you can see, the dinner consists mostly of vegetables. And this is where you are going to get your nutrients. This is how you're going to keep your belly flat or lose weight and stay lean. And this is how I live my life. I just live a healthy lifestyle. No need to assign yourself any labels in terms of veganism or stress yourself out trying to live this lifestyle that you see online that really is not sustainable for anybody. So I hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you try it. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.